Hello everyone, this is Sadhana for Social Science and I welcome you all to SRBPS online classes. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Peninsular Plateau. So, first of all, we should know about that what is plateau. A plateau is a high land with sloping sides and a flat top. It resembles like a tabletop. That's why it is also known as a tableland. The surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven. Let us understand the peninsular plateaus of India on a map. In this map, the shaded part is showing the peninsular plateaus. The peninsular plateaus of India lies to the south of the northern plains. The peninsular plateau is triangular in shape. They are broader in the north and become narrower as we move towards south. This triangular piece of land is covered by water from three sides, and hence it forms a peninsula. The Bay of Bengal is on its east, the Arabian Sea is on its west, and the Indian Ocean is on its south. The peninsular plateaus cover a large part of the country. They stretch for about 1600 kilometers from north to south and 1400 kilometers from east to west. The peninsular plateaus are surrounded by hill ranges on all sides. These are Aravalli Hills in the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. Further moving, the Eastern Ghats in the east and the Western Ghats in the west. The Narmada River is an important river of the plateau. This river divides the peninsular plateaus into two parts. These two parts are: number 1, the Central Highlands, and number 2 is the Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands. The regions towards the north of the Narmada River are called the Central Highlands. The Central Highlands are further divided into two parts. These are the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau. The northwestern part of the Central Highlands forms the Malwa Plateau. Its average height is 500 meters and it slopes northwards. The Aravalli Range bounds it from the northwest and the Vindhya Range bounds it from the south. This region is rich in black soil, which is good for growing cotton and oilseeds. The Chota Nagpur Plateau. The northeastern part of the Central Highlands forms the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The average height of this plateau is around 600 meters. This region is rich in minerals like coal, bauxite, iron, copper, mica, and limestone.